Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging, then ground yourself. Static kills components. Once done, open the case and orient the chassis so the motherboard is visible. Find the free 2.5 bay or M, 2 slot and confirm interface, SATA versus NVMe. Make sure you have the right screws and cables, SATA data and power, or the small M, 2 screw and standoff. You should already have the drive, tools, and manual ready. Now move to physically install the SSD. You'll now mount the drive. For a 2.5 SATA SSD, slide it into the bracket or bay, secure with screws, then plug the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the SATA power cable from the PSU. For an M2 NVMe or SATA module, insert at about 20-30 degrees, push down gently, and fasten the standoff screw. Once connected, route cables to avoid fans, double-check connections, and then close the case. Power on to confirm the system. Recognize. You finish by powering up and entering BIOS or UEFI to confirm the SSD is detected. If you plan to boot from it, set boot priority accordingly. Once the OS loads, open Disk Management on Windows or Discutal on Mac OS to initialize, partition, and format the new drive. Choose GPT for modern systems. If the drive doesn't appear, power down, reseat the connectors or M2 screw, try another SATA/M2 slot. Update BIOS firmware, or test the SSD in an external.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.